Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello guys, good morning. Pupunta kami sa
Guys,
post office. Pipikapin ko lang yung
I have a big sweet.
Pipikapin ko lang yung
And I'm eating lunch.
yung in-order ko online na pero wala kasi ako dito noong drinap nila nung dineliver, so pupunta kami ng post office Marchidor sa White Road lang naman. Wala namang ibang
What are these colors?
Ay, ang daming sasakyan, my goodness. What time na? Oh,
There's two bucks.
yeah.
And so two bucks.
Okay, tapos umuulan pa, umaambon. Ayan, pupunta kami mga 10 minutes lang naman i-drive doon or 5 minutes, mabilis lang. Kaya samahan nyo kami guys, punta tayo or Ilocano Mapanak di post office. Ayan, kasama ko yung anak ko lagi. Kung saan man ako pupunta, kasama ko lang siya lagi. Kasi ang tatay wala kasi. Kaya ako yung magtitingin sa kanya.
I can't see my face.
You can't see in the
Hello, guys.
Ayan siya. Ginising ko nga, ayaw nga magising kasi hanggang 9:30 lang kasi yung post office na pick up 6 to 6:30. Ang aga-aga kasi ay 9 to 9:30,
1999.
kaya medyo maaga kaya yan. Bakit yung bakit bumaba? Bumababa, bestie. Ganyan na nga. Saan ito pupunta? Medyo matagalan. That's okay. May mga stop light na dito.
How am I doing here?
Yeah, we're going to the post office like I said this morning. Yeah, I will go and we're going to pick up my stuff that I bought online. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're going to gym too. You have a gym.
Ken?
Yeah, you.
Ken?
Yeah, Ayla have a gym today. I'm in trial. I don't know if she likes it or not. If she like it, then I will i-enroll ko siya kung gusto niya. Kung ayaw niya, hindi ko siya i-enroll kasi sayang, mahal pa naman ang per session. Yeah. 5 minutes. Oh, okay, that's okay. Still 5 minutes. When I started, still 5 minutes. So, oh shit, nag-over ako.
Look at that wheel.
Basta magdodrive ako, meron akong eyeglasses pag umuulan. Come on, go, 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 go. Hindi siya
Whoa, look,
Yeah.
Mom.
Oh, that's nice. Natural. Yeah?
Mom, you see that long puddle?
Yeah. Oh, why? When you went to school yesterday, you didn't have a paddle day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a lot of paddles in there?
Well,
And you're wet too?
100 million.
Yeah, 100 million. Yeah, we get the rain. Oh, bless you, baby.
Banana, can you touch your phone?
You know how to. You don't know how to use it. I don't wanna hold or touch my phone while I'm driving, Mom.
No.
It's no good. If there's a police, they will catch us. Then they will put us in jail. Remember? No, later. There's a camera around, Mommy. Remember?
There's some camera.
Yeah, there's a camera there, and then they're gonna catch us. When coming home, then I will give you my phone. Oh, coughing again. Nagugubo nga eh. Umuubo every morning. What are you doing? That's why you're eating your chocolate morning. You haven't eat your brekkie, Mommy. Oh, look, there's a police there on the other side. Look. See that? There's a camera there. So if they catch us, then... Oh. Yeah, that's a police. That's a camera, Mommy.
Now you're MP lens. It's going, my gun going up.
Yeah, always traffic here. It should be a little bit wider.
But I want to watch.
Yeah.
But will you not? Would you not get your phone? I just got the same car all by myself, and I got asked to police.
Come on, go. Para hindi
No, Mom,
ma-traffic.
go up.
Yeah, we're going up a little bit.
No,
Yes.
Mom, wanna go that way, not that way. Wanna go that way.
Ayla, Mommy's driving, okay?
Just, uh, 'Cause, uh, Mommy knows where we're going.
Mommy knows where we're going.
No, Mommy, go up. No, Mommy, go that way, not that way. Wanna go that way. Hey, La, Mommy's driving, okay? Just,
Mommy knows where we're going. 'Cause Mommy knows where we're going. like I said, we're going to post
Going
office.
to the bridge.
Yeah.
I like to go to the bridge.
Yeah. We always go to the bridge when we're on the way home. There's a little bit bridge in there. You don't know? That there's a little bit bridge where on the way home.
Yeah.
And then you're like, that's a big bridge, that's why.
Yeah. And it starts.
Pababa ng pababa itong ano. Mm?
I'm gonna call a little bit.
Don't open, it's raining.
No, it's only that much. Mom, it's only that much, Mom.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
Don't eat.
I'm gonna eat one more.
Ayla, please don't have full at the gym, eh?
Okay, see, you'll see one more. Look,
Okay.
I get one more. I got one more.
Okay, I said. Dito na tayo, malapit na.
Come on, it's green.
No, look, the green and then but the arrow going that side, it's not. It's red. See that red arrow?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's not. No. Say no.
no.
Yeah. If it's green, the arrow, then we can.
No, green go and red stop.
Yeah. That's not the green. It's still red, that one, mommy.
It's gonna take forever. Look, that car is passing there.
Yeah, I know, but it's not the green. The look, the arrow, red and arrow means that's red.
No,
The circle it's go through, but the arrow it's go inside to the shop in here. There's a shop in here, that's why there's an arrow. But we can go very soon, for sure.
let's go to the nighttime.
Hmm?
It's gonna be sunny soon or not?
Oh, no, Sunny. It's this is for maybe a week.
No, it's gonna get sunny soon.
Okay.
I need to go to Adelaide twice later. Yay.
I'll just try to park.
Look at your lips.
Huh?
Look at your lips.
There's a parking. Let me see. Oh, there's no. I will parking in there. I will parking in here. Closer. Post office partial locked.
No, not that way.
Yeah, dito na kami guys. Oh. Ito na kami.
Mama, I want to have two.
Oh.
Mine, where?
Sila. Hello guys.
Hello, guys.
No, don't open the door. It's still raining. Oh God. Ito naman. Ngayong nandito na kami. Tsaka lang umulan naman ng malakas.
I want to close
Hmm?
it.
Ah, did you... Ayla? Nay, where's the key? Close. Don't open because the rain will come in. Ito na guys. Ito na kami. Pero lumakas naman ng ulan. Anong oras na ba? 2. Wait lang. Ihaig ko muna. Yung phone ko. Kunin ko to. At saka to my wallet. And I'll get my umbrella. Ah! Kainis naman. Tsaka lang naman, uulan pag meron akong meron naman kaming umbrella pero lakas ng ulan. My goodness.
Mom,
You wanna stay here by yourself? You wanna stay here by yourself? Just only quick. I will lock the door.
yeah.
You wanna stay here by yourself?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Just only quick, okay? Wait. Okay, I will i-ano ko lang itong cellphone ko para siya yung manood siya ng YouTube. Okay, don't be scared. There's a lot of people around, okay? Okay? Okay, I'm going by myself, okay? Don't worry, mommy. Mommy will come back, okay? Don't cry. You will cry?
Maybe.
Don't cry. Because I'm... Wait, I will just stop a little bit the rain. Look. Okay, we can go. Get your hat. Give me your... Okay, punta lang kami guys. Ganito na lang kami kasi umuulan eh. Sige guys. See you later again sa next naming video. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-likes and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe. See you later. Take care. Bye. Say bye-bye, mommy.